Guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on the application of UNO. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of UNO and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.